Welcome to Woodland Power Products. This short video will show you how to properly install the extender brackets and J-hooks onto the collector frame of the Cyclone Rake. Please note, if you have a classic Cyclone Rake, you will not have extender brackets, and you can move on in your owner's manual and start the separate video for classic owners. You will need two 1/2-inch box wrenches or sockets. The extender brackets come as a left and right pair. You can attach either one first, then repeat the steps to install the other side. First, remove the small green shock cord from the rear of the bag. Then at the front of the collector, raise the aluminum side tubes and lock them in place by moving the slider bracket down into the locked position. Do this on both sides of the collector. At the rear of the collector frame, locate the hinge bracket. Using the two 1/2-inch box wrenches, remove and discard the temporary shipping bolt and nut. Place the first extender bracket over the collector frame and install the two 5/16 by 1 3/4 inch carriage bolts down through the bracket and the chassis with the round heads on top. Next, place a J-hook under the collector frame with the curved end facing toward the front of the collector. Fasten the carriage bolts with two nylon lock nuts and tighten firmly. Finally, move the hinge bracket over the outer hole in the extender bracket. Bolt the hinge bracket in place using a 5/16 by 1 inch hex bolt, washer, and nylon lock nut provided. The bolt will come up through the bottom. That's it. Now you can fold up the bag and install the collector onto the chassis frame.